read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's lesson is about uppercase and lowercase letter O. We will learn its formation, its sound and vocabulary words. Let's start. How to write it, how to pronounce it. Start from the first line, go round, round, round and stop. It will make capital O. Start from second line, go round, round, round and stop. It will make small O. The letter name is O. The sound of O is O. Orange, O. Orange, O. Orange, O. Ostrich, O. Owl, O. Onions. Obey your elders, okay? Help your elders when they ask for assistance. Help your elders when they ask for assistance. Now it's your favorite fun time, story time. Are you ready to listen the story? The ostrich ate oranges. Juicy, yummy, fresh oranges. The owl flew by and noticed onions on the ground. The ostrich offered the owl some oranges. Sharing is caring. I hope so. You enjoyed and learned many things through this lesson of letter O. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.